This is Jen Teibel, Director of Online Education for HCI College, and this video is going to go over how to take a quiz in Moodle, the virtual classroom. I'm going to enter the course of the quiz I'm going to take and scroll to the week for the quiz. I know it's a quiz because it's a piece of paper with a check mark. I click on the quiz, and I'm going to attempt the quiz once I'm ready. So when you take your quizzes, you can flag questions, and this is for your own personal benefit. If you flagged a question, that means to yourself that you want to go back and review the question before submitting the quiz. You want to make sure that you are ready to take the whole quiz because you get one attempt, and you do not get to pause the quiz and come back. So do make sure that when you start the quiz, you are prepared to take the whole thing. So this quiz is from Online Orientation, and it asks questions about the virtual classroom, etiquette, and tips and tricks. Safari is the preferred browser for all HCI College online courses. It wants to know if that's true or false. If you've been through Online Orientation, you know that Chrome is the preferred browser. Quiz question 2 is green. As you can see, it's not answered. Quiz question 1, my answer has been saved. Quiz question 3 has not yet been answered. Announcements from the instructor can be located in latest news section of the online classroom. In order to be eligible for full credit in the discussion, students must post their original main response and at least 2 secondary replies within the module. I'm going to continue through my quiz, and we're going to see how well I do without reading the questions. This is not something we want to do during our actual quiz, but I'm going to show you how to submit the quiz at the end. So I'm just taking a guess right now on some of these questions so that we can get to the end of the quiz. Now, this is question 10. I can go back to a different question by clicking previous page, takes me to question 9, or maybe I need to go to question 4, and I can just click on that question. So that's the flag button to remind me to go back to question 4, or I can remove the flag. Once I'm finished with my quiz, I want to click on Finish Attempt. It let me know that I have all of the questions answered. And I'm not done, so I can return right now to my quiz in case I needed to finish one. But as you see, all of my answers have been saved, so I'm going to submit and finish the quiz. And it makes me confirm because once you submit, you will no longer be able to change the answers in the attempt. And you can see that we started guessing here on question 4. A green check mark means that we got the correct answers, and you can review your scores immediately when you take a quiz. So you can go to question 4 to see what we got wrong. It gives you the correct answer. And if you remember, question 4 is the one that we flagged because we just weren't sure about it. So I'm going to review all of my answers to see that I did well on my quiz, and then I can go about the rest of my studies. If you have any questions, please give me an email. Thank you for your time.